solving linear equations. So here linear mean the equation consists in the variable whose degree is of 1 will be called as a linear one. Since the equation is of a linear, that the degrees of the variable is of 1, so it has only one root. So here you have to solve linear equations of single variable, that is one variable in it, maybe x, y or z. So we can solve these sort of linear equations by means of three methods, that is one step method, the second one has the two step method, and finally that is the third one, the multi step method. So here linear equations of single variable, or in other words one variable, can be solved by three methods. So in the first case, so we are going to deal with the one step method. So in this one step method, we will be using only one step, we will be utilizing particularly only one step in order to solve for x value, that is the variable's value, which satisfies the entire equation. So now here in this method, that is one step method, let us perform one of the example, that is solve x plus 7 is equals to 12, whereas in this equation there are of two algebraic expressions on LHS, that is of x plus 7, consisting two terms in it. One is variable, which is x, the other is a constant. Then on RHS there is only single, that is monomial, consisting only one term in the algebraic expression. So this equality is having one variable, that is x. So it has only one step in order to find out the value of that variable which satisfies the entire equation. So here we are going to solve for x in our solution. The equation which is given for us is x plus 7 is equals to 12 is the given equation. So here, since it is of single step, one step method, so we will be using only one step, which is nothing but we have to make x as the subject, that too its quotient must be 1 alone on the left hand side. The other quantities must be diminished, or we have to remove, or we have to eliminate. So here 7 is the constant, whose sign is of positive. So we have to eliminate it. So we have to subtract 7 on both the sides. So here by subtracting, that is 7 on both the sides of the equation. So here then the next logical step will be, so x plus 7 is on LHS and 12 is on RHS. So here we have to subtract 7 on both sides. So I am going to subtract this 7, minus 7 on the LHS and minus 7 on the RHS. So in this manner we have subtracted 7 from the LHS and as well as subtracted 7 from the RHS. So by removing the brackets, so we will be getting x plus 7 as it is, because before the bracket there is a positive sign, remains same. Minus 7 copied as it is equals to 12 minus 7. 7 is of negative and 7 is of positive in this case. So here plus of minus is minus, we have to subtract 7 minus 7 is of 0, or in other words we can cancel plus 7 and minus 7. Then that implies x alone left on the left hand side, that is equals to 12 is of positive and 7 is of negative. So here we have to simplify. In order to simplify, plus of minus is minus, we have to subtract greater minus least, that is 12 minus 7 is of 5. To assess the sign here of 5, so we have to see the greater one among the 12 and 7. 12 is greater than 7, therefore 12 sign is of positive, therefore the assessed sign is of plus. So in this manner, so I got x is equals to plus 5, that is 5 is the root of the given equation. So here in this manner I say we have utilized only one step, that is by subtracting 7 on both sides in order to get the value of, or in order to what I say, get the variables value which satisfies this 12, x plus 7 is equals to 12 entire equation by single method, that is one step method. Then now similarly let us go for the next one, that is the second method, that is two step method. So here second one is of two step method. So in this method we will be utilizing two steps in order to solve the variable in the equation, in the linear equation. So here to perform that, let us have an example, that is example number 2, that is solve seven x plus 3 is equals to 18. So now in the solution, the equation which is given for us is 7x plus 3 is equals to 18 is the given equation. Here we have to solve for x, which is the variable's value, in order to satisfy the entire equation. So in this solution, so 7x plus 3 equals to 18 is the given equation. We are utilizing here two steps to find out the value of x. The first step is of, so here there are of two terms in the left hand, on the left hand side, so I am going to what I say eliminate. So here 3, that is of plus 3. In order to eliminate plus 3, I have to subtract 3 on both sides. So subtracting 3 on LHS and similarly subtracting 3 on RHS. So this is the first step which I have utilized. So by subtracting 3 on both the sides. So this is the first step which I have utilized. This is step number 1. So now by adding up these two equations, so here plus 3, 3 is of positive and 3 is of negative. So in order to what I say simplify these like terms, so plus into minus is of minus, let us subtract 3 minus 3 is of 0. So we can cancel up, because 1 3 is of positive and another 3 is of negative, plus 3 minus 3 gets cancelled, so only 7x with positive sign will remain on LHS. On RHS to simplify it, so here 18 is of positive sign and 3 is of negative sign, plus of minus is of minus, we have to subtract greater minus this, that is 18 minus 3 is of 15. So in order to assess the sign for the 15, we have to see the greater one among 18 and 3, 18 is greater than 3, 18 sign is of positive, so here assessed sign is of positive. Then now here we must get the x value, so but x is multiplied with 7, so we have to eliminate, or I mean we have to transpose into 7 on the other hand. So here I am dividing both the sides, I have to make only x as the subject here, so dividing both sides by means of 7, 7x totally entirely LHS divided by 7, similarly right hand side also divided by 7. Here in this case I say I have utilized one more step, so I have divided, by dividing, this is the reason, by dividing both the sides by means of 7. So this is step number 2 which I have utilized. So in this manner, when I have divided on both the sides by means of 7, 7 and 7 gets cancelled by means of 1s. Then in this manner I will be getting x 1 is of x, then that is equals to 15 divided by 7. So here therefore x is equals to 15 by 7 is the solution set or the root of the equation. Is the root of the given equation. Then verification. In our verification, let us put x is equals to 15 by 7 in the given equation. So here the given equation is of 7x plus 3 is equals to 18. This is given equation. At x is equals to 15 by 7. So here the left hand side will be 7 into x value replaced by means of 15 by 7 plus 3 copied as it is equals to right hand side 18 as it is. So here the denominator, I mean 7, and the numerator 7 gets cancelled because the symbol in between is of into. Then that implies 15 is left over, the numerator plus 3 copied as it is equals to 18 on the other hand. That implies 15 plus 3 is of 18 on the LHS and 18 is on the RHS. The condition is true because 18 and 18 are equal. Since the condition is true, hence it is verified. Now in the similar manner, let us go for the third